27th March NTPC exam questions and answers. Vijayanagara established in 14th century. Vijayanagara established in 14th century. 91st Oscar for Best Film, Green Book. 91st Oscar for Best Film, Green Book. International Day of Girl Child, 11th October. Story, Play, Dance, Kathakali. Old Alluvial Soil Name, Bangar. Old Alluvial Soil Name, Bangar. Biodiversity plan started in 2004. Distance between Sun and Earth, 14.96 crore kilometer. Shakespeare of India, Kalidas. Shakespeare of India, Kalidas. Shaving mirror, concave. Shaved mirror, concave. Chauri Chaura is related to Gorakhpur. Manipuri dance is related to which god? Krishna. Geo means geosynchronous equilateral orbit. Slogan by Muslim League in 1943. Divide and leave. Divide and leave. Carbon atoms in glucose, 6. Carbon atoms in glucose, 6. What built by Edwin Lutyens in 1931? India Gate. What built by Edwin Lutyens in 1931? India Gate. Word formatting page layout by default, narrow margin. When was the name of UNO taken? 1942. When was the name of UNO taken? 1942. Director General of WTO. From which country? Nigeria. LED full form, light emitting diode. Output device, printer. From options. When right to property removed from fundamental rights? 1978. Not a scalar quantity, force. By option. Which river is not from Western Ghat? Tapti. Harappa civilization near which river? Ravi. First 5-year plan started in 1951. National Green Tribunal established in 18th October 2010. Ore of aluminium, bauxite. National game of Nepal, volleyball. Citrus cankers, bacteria. Hemavati is a tributary of river Kaveri. Which country is not in SAARC? Iran. World's largest salt desert, Thar Desert. Suez Canal, Egypt. Formula of propane, C3H8. Propane, C3H8. 2019 Asian Women Handball Championship winner, Jaipur. 2019 Asian Women Handball Championship, Jaipur. Phloem works in plant transport of glucose and sucrose. Phloem works in plant in transport of glucose and sucrose. Leader in Lucknow 1857 revolt, become Hazrat Mahal. Lightest wool of which animal? Llama. Right to life, Article 21. Dimension of 2000 rupees note, 166 into 66 mm square. 11th 5-year plan, how many solar cities? 60. Shortcut key to format the paragraph in word page, Ctrl plus M. Akash, which type of missile? Surface to air. Who were present in all 3 roundtable conference? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. India's Innovation Index 2020, 40th rank. A Brief History of Time, Stephen Hawking. A Brief History of Time, Stephen Hawking. Fast breeder reactor, Kalpakam. Thomas Cup is associated with which of the following sports? Badminton. Thomas Cup is related to badminton. Where is Kanha National Park is located? Madhya Pradesh. Which planet is nearest to the Sun? Mercury. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. Which is the longest period in the periodic table? 6th period. What is the critical angle of diamond? 25th degree. Which gas is used in electric bulb? Argon. Which gas is used in electric bulb? Argon. SI unit of charge, Coulomb. 18th group, periodic table, elements 7. What is the pH value of blood? 7.35. Formula of bleaching powder, CaOCl2. Mass of carbon 12. Atomic number of sulfur 16th. Thank you.